Goeiedag, good day, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. And I have a video clip attached here which to me really sums up what happened just a few days ago in KwaZulu Natal and Gauteng. The storage facility you're going to see now, which was totally ransacked and burnt to the ground, is in KwaZulu Natal in the small town of Amanzimtoti. And the vision of this woman playing a piano and singing amongst the devastation kind of sums up the absolutely amazing spirit of man or woman in times like this. Here comes the video. Please remember to subscribe to Loving Life on YouTube to be kept informed. Please remember to register on lovinglifetv.com to be kept informed. Please like this video, please share this video, and above all, please stay safe. Bye for now.